It's 2025, cybersecurity is booming and everyone's saying you need certifications to get hired. But which one actually helps you land a job faster? Is it the battle-tested CompTIA Security Plus or Google's newer Cybersecurity Certification? I polled my community and today I'm revealing exactly what you need to know to make the best choice for your career. Welcome back, and if you're new here, I'm Luke, a career coach and recruiter with over 14 years of experience. Today I'm giving you an in-depth look at two hottest entry-level cybersecurity certifications out there, the CompTIA Security Plus and Google's Cybersecurity Certification. And yes, I'll share which one my own audience prefers and why. First up, let's talk about the CompTIA Security Plus. This has been the gold standard for entry-level cybersecurity certifications for a long time. It's recognized globally. It covers fundamental yet comprehensive security concepts, which include risk management, network security, threats, attacks, vulnerabilities, identity and access management, cryptography and PKI, and much more. So why is this a good choice? Well, the CompTIA Security Plus is often seen as the first big step into cybersecurity. From a recruiter's perspective, it immediately shows employers that you understand the foundational principles of security. It opens doors to many roles such as security analysts, IT security administrator, or network security specialists. Now you may be asking, okay, what kind of salary could I be looking at? Well, with the Security Plus, you could expect to target roles in the 70 to 95k range to start with, which is pretty impressive, with rapid salary growth potential as you build experience and stack additional certifications on top. So if you're looking to get your foot in the door and want something that's recognized and respected, then the Security Plus is the one most hiring managers know and trust. Okay, so what about the Google Cybersecurity Certification? Let's chat about this. This was introduced a few years ago, and it's turning heads, especially among career changers and people new to tech. Why? Well, it does offer real-world skills. It offers hands-on practical task and simulation. It's built for beginners. It's approachable for those with little to no tech background. It's job readiness. It focuses on skills employers are actively hiring for. But why would this potentially be a good choice, you may ask? Well, from a recruiter's lens, I'm seeing this pop up more and more often on resumes, and it does stand out, especially for candidates who pair it with a strong portfolio or lab work. It shows initiative and the ability to apply knowledge in real-world scenarios. It can open doors to entry-level cybersecurity support roles, maybe SOC analyst roles, or IT support transitioning into cybersecurity. Now, for the salary potential, you're looking to expect around the 65k to 90k mark, depending on obviously your location and industry. This also offers quick advancement though if you do add more certifications and experience on top of that. The Google certification, however, is newer, but its practical nature makes it a strong, fast start option. Now, what about if you were to consider both certifications? Let's talk about this, because interestingly, about a quarter of my community saw the value in earning both certifications. Here's why that could be a smart move. The CompTIA Security Plus gives you an industry-backed theory and credibility. Google certification adds real-world practical skills. So combining both shows depth and breadth. You've got the foundational knowledge and the practical application, and that's gold to hiring managers out there. Now, from a recruiter's view, candidates who have both and can talk through a project or lab they completed, that gets them on the shortlist. So let's talk about recruiter insights and what employers really value in 2025. And let me be super clear on this. Certifications alone won't get you hired, but they will get you noticed. And here's what's working in 2025. Certifications plus application. Employers want proof you can solve problems and apply your skills. Portfolio or labs. I can't recommend this enough. Build a GitHub, share a project, show something that's real. And then soft skills. Communication is huge. Can you explain threats and risks to non-technical stakeholders? Well, that's a major asset. Remember that if you're in cybersecurity working in a business, you'll be liaising with different stakeholders throughout that business. They may come from and probably will come from a non-IT or cybersecurity background, and to them, none of it makes sense. So the way you communicate this and the clearer you are, the more you will stand out and excel at your job. Now, from a hiring perspective, CompTIA is still the safe bet. But when someone pairs it with Google's certification and hands-on proof, that combo is really hard to beat. So both certifications can lead you to a strong entry-level role and opportunities such as cybersecurity analyst, SOC analyst, junior pen tester, if you have further upskilling as well on top, security and administrator, and many more roles. And once again, you could be looking at salaries between 65 to 95k, depending on your role, location, and skill set. Now, with 1 to 2 years of experience with continuous learning, you could definitely top the 100k plus range, especially if you combine technical growth with strong communication and analytical skills. And quite frankly, after such a short period of time in the market, 1 to 2 years, that really is a huge salary potential on offer. So should you choose the CompTIA or the Google certification? Well, choose CompTIA Security Plus if you're looking for a globally respected foundational certification that opens doors. Go with Google certification if you want fast, practical training to get job ready quickly, and do both if you want to maximize your chances, fast track your career, and stand out as a top tier entry level candidate. Now, when I polled my audience, the CompTIA Security Plus was the one that stood out most. That gained over 67% of the vote, but there were quite a few of you who thought having both would be a great option. Now, if you're going to ask my opinion, either one can work for you, and if you had both, I would really recommend it. It can only help you. However, if you were to pin me down and said, Luke, I want to know one option and which one would you choose, I would go for the CompTIA Security Plus. It's globally recognized. It's the gold standard in entry-level certifications. And I can tell you, when looking through job specifications that come my way, entry-level roles, they're always looking for the CompTIA Security Plus. So that would be my opinion on that. Now, let me know in the comments, which one are you leaning towards and why? And if this helps, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. I've got more recruiter insights, certification tips, and career coaching videos every week. Thanks for tuning in. As always, keep leveling up your career, and I'll see you on the next video.